Welcome to this video on understanding display brightness levels. We'll explain peak brightness and compare 1200 nits versus 3000 nits displays. Brightness refers to the amount of light a screen can emit. This is typically measured in nits, which is also known as candela per square meter or candela per square meter. A nit is a unit of luminance. A higher nit value means a brighter display, which makes it more visible, especially in bright environments. Peak brightness is the maximum brightness a display can achieve, often in short bursts. This feature is crucial for creating impactful HDR highlights in content. Typical brightness levels vary by device. Standard dynamic range or SDR TVs usually range from 200 to 400 nits. High dynamic range or HDR TVs can reach 600 to over 2000 nits, and smartphones range from 800 up to 3000 plus nits. Displays with 1200 nits offer good outdoor visibility and solid HDR performance. They are commonly found in mid-range and flagship smartphones. 3000 nit displays are extremely bright, providing exceptional outdoor readability. They're ideal for viewing premium content like HDR10+ and Dolby Vision. The practical difference is significant. 3000 nits is 2.5 times brighter than 1200 nits. This improves visibility in strong sunlight and boosts the impact of HDR highlights. Higher brightness draws more power and can generate more heat. Therefore, peak brightness levels are often limited to short bursts to manage battery life and temperature. For content viewing, brighter displays mean HDR movies and photos look more realistic with brighter specular highlights. This difference is particularly noticeable on premium displays. You don't always need 3000 nits. This level is not necessary for typical indoor use, but is highly beneficial in direct sunlight or for HDR-heavy content consumption. In conclusion, 1200 nits is very good, while 3000 nits is exceptional. When choosing a display, consider your primary use case and typical viewing environment.